Hello everyone. So if you keep getting this error in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, no network connection detected with the error code Roberts Obispo, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here allow an app, and then you're going to go into allow an app through Windows Firewall. You're going to click onto change settings here, you're going to click allow another app here, go into browse. Now you need to go into your Call of Duty Black Ops 7's directory. So I'm going to use Counter-Strike as an example. Click open them. After that, click add on here and then scroll down and find Call of Duty Black Ops 7 here. And once you're on Call of Duty Black Ops 7, make sure both of these checkboxes are ticked on. And once you tick on both of these checkboxes, you're going to press OK on here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to click onto your network connection. Click onto change settings of this connection. Then you want to go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click on here, use the following DNS server addresses, right here 1.1.1.1 and then 1.0.0.1, press OK here as well, and just disable your internet connection for 15 to 20 seconds. And after that, you want to enable it and let it connect. And once it's connected, now you can go ahead and play your Call of Duty Black Ops 7, and you'll see that you will not get that Roberts Obispo error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.